Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to make the Indian flag on a Rubik's cube. So to start, you have to hold the cube in this position. Blue on the top, orange on the left, red on the right, and then green on the bottom. So first, you need to move the top layer to the right, like this. Then you have to rotate the cube downwards. Then move the bottom layer to the right, just like this. Then you have to bring the first two blocks downwards like this. Then you have to move the bottom layer twice like this. Then bring the two blocks up. Now if you move the green layer, you have this kind of looking like an Indian flag, but now the blue needs to come here. So we'll move the orange to the left and also the green. Then we'll move these two white blocks to the blue layer. Then we'll rotate the cube upwards. Then move the top layer to the right, bring orange, and the bottom layer to the right. So there you have it, the Indian flag on the Rubik's cube. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.